Trace the letter U. U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. Touch the object. Trace the letter V. V. V for violin. V for violet. Touch the object. Trace the letter W. W. W for water. W for well. Touch the objects. Trace the letter X. X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Touch the object. Trace the letter Y. Y. Y for yacht. Y for yellow. Touch the objects. Trace the letter Z. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Touch the object.